My name is Musab Hassan Yusuf. I'm the oldest son of Sheikh Hassan Yusuf, one of the founders of Hamas organization. Son of Hamas is a big project because it has lots of very important subjects. It has the reality of Islam. It has the reality of Christianity. The reader will be able to understand in a simple language what's going on in the Middle East. In one book, they're gonna have history and learning about Islam, learning about the geography of the place, the population, the mindset for the people, and they're gonna have an amazing experience going through what I went through for the last 15 years of my life. I became a Jesus follower for the standards and for the logics of Christianity. I saw the Quran and Islam as the law that will help humans to improve their lives and have justice, have peace, and be a better people. And through my experience in Islam, I didn't see that happening, and I don't see it happening in the future, period. Now, after reading the Bible and starting to understand Christianity as not a religion and a bunch of rules, as a message of love, that all of it leads to the word love as the most important word of the Bible, and God Himself is love. It's a big problem for a Muslim to become a Christian, and this is not an easy thing, especially for somebody in my case, in my situation. My father made the revolution of Islam. He served that cause. My entire family had to suffer of missing him for many years in Israeli prisons for this cause, the cause of Islam. I had a huge sacrifice to do to turn my back to Islam, to lose my family, and it's just like you woke up from a bad dream, basically, and you don't want to wake up, because when you woke up to the reality of who you are and what you should be, you are really scared. You have lots of things to face. My message today to Muslims, to Jewish people, even to Christians: God can be between us anytime, any moment, and He can appear between us, through our friends, through our people, and we still will not recognize Him and recognize His work. This doesn't mean that He's not existed. This doesn't mean that He's not between us. He's between us. He's working in the most complicated and the darkest situations, while everybody thinks that there is no God, because this is the situation where governments, technology, seculars, everybody failed. He's making a big, huge progress. It's unseen for them, but I am one of the examples. And this book is a living example of how His love works through a person's life that will change millions of lives.